Hi, welcome to another video tutorial. In this session we will be talking about how to design and construct an RFID-based smart parking system. We will demonstrating how to use RFID for secure parking in homes and place of business. We will be modeling using this RFID cards to show how the system works. This RFID smart parking system was designed on a wooden frame that has 3 parking slots. The entrance gate has the RFID card checking stand with an LCD display to show you where you can swipe your RFID card and point you to which car slot you can park your car from the entrance. Once someone swipes his registered RFID card, the gate barrier is lifted and the person can drive into the car park, and the parking slot barrier is also lifted and the person can also drive into the car park. Programmed and authorized about 3 of these RFID cards so that they can have access to the smart car park. This means for each car parking slot, there is a respective card. Now, let us get to know how this project design was built. We will go step by step, starting with the schematic diagram, down to the assembling of the various components to the programming and testing of the RFID-based smart parking system project. Before we continue, we would like you to take a moment to encourage small creators like us. Like, share and subscribe to this channel today. Subscription is free. Now, let us begin with the circuit diagram. The circuit diagram was designed around the Arduino Nano board, but you can also use the Arduino Uno board as shown in the schematic diagram here. Also, we used a 16x2 LCD module with an I2C LCD module so that we can use 2 wires instead of 4 wires. However, you can use any LCD type of your choice. We used 4 servo motors for the design. Since one of the servos is kept at the entrance gate, the other 3 servos control each a parking slot in a car parking garage. The RFID reader module was connected using the SPI protocol, and the system design was powered externally by a 5 volts power supply. This is to ensure that the currently supplied is good to power the servo motors connected. To assemble the project desing, we used a board to solder the project according to schematic diagram. Use some glue gum to hold the RFID reader module at the side of the code of the 3x6 casing enclosure. The wiring of the whole setup is in casing inside this casing too. We cut an opening for the LCD module and then used a female header pin to hold the Arduino Nano board on the Variboard to connect the rest of the components and modules. Now, let us program the project desing. Once you connect your cable and open your Arduino IDE, you can get the free copy of this code in the description below. The code first initializes the LCD, SPI interface, RFID module, and servos. It then displays a welcome message on the LCD and ensures all gates are closed by setting the servos to specific positions. In the loop function, the code continuously checks if a new RFID card is present. If a card is detected, it reads the card's unique identifier, UID, and compares it with predefined UIDs for specific users. When a match is found, the code opens the first gate by moving the servo motor from a closed position to an open position using the first servo open function. The servo motors for each parking slot are controlled with functions like second servo open and third servo open to ensure smooth gate operation. The system allows for up to 4 slots, each controlled by its own servo motor. This combination of RFID detection, personalized messaging on the LCD, and servo motor control creates a simple yet functional automated parking system where each authorized RFID card holder is directed to a specific parking slot, and gates are operated automatically based on the card detected.